Are you tired of promoting various affiliate products and not getting any significant return on your investment? Well, you're not alone. Many affiliate marketers find it challenging to identify high-converting products to promote. In this video, I'll be sharing some tips to help you find and select affiliate products that will help you earn more commission. Firstly, you should research the market and the target audience. What are the products that are in high demand and have a good reputation? You can do this by browsing through online marketplaces such as Amazon, ClickBank, or eBay. Check out the reviews section to see what customers are saying about the product. Next, you should consider the commission structure. The commission percentage may vary from product to product. You should look for products that offer a high commission percentage, but at the same time, the product should be of good quality and value. Another factor to consider is the competition. If there are too many affiliates promoting the same product, it can be challenging to stand out from the crowd. Look for products that have less competition and are unique yet popular among your target audience. Lastly, you should test the product yourself. This will help you understand the quality of the product and how it can benefit your potential customers. By testing the product yourself, you'll be able to create a more personal and accurate review of the product. Overall, finding high-converting affiliate products may take time and effort. But with a little research, testing, and careful consideration, you'll be able to find the best products to promote and increase your earnings. 1. Research the market and target audience. Start by researching the market and the target audience. Understand the demand for the products and their reputation. Take your time to browse through online marketplaces and check out the reviews section to see what customers are saying about the product. 2. Consider commission structure. Consider the commission structure while selecting the product. Look for products that offer a high commission percentage but also provide good value and quality. 3. Analyze competition. Analyze the competition as it can be challenging to promote products with high competition. Look for products that are unique, but at the same time, popular among your target audience. 4. Test the product. Lastly, test the product yourself to understand its quality and how it can benefit your potential customers. By testing the product yourself, you can create a more accurate and personal review.